जादू वो एक दो पलों में ही होता है, एक दो घड़ी में ही होता है, एक सेकंड में हो जाता है, मोमेंट में हो जाता है.
I'd now like to invite on stage, back on stage, Raj Naik and Mr. Rav Singh back on stage. So
Only if you can do the
I
radiant
can
painting
grill
or break the
them.
beer things. Huh? Otherwise, you're not coming on stage. Thank you, Raj. Thank you very much for having me on this show. Thank you. Great to meet you, Raj. Bless you, man. And Darcy is appeared out of nowhere there again.
Yeah. He's dangerous. So now, actually, this is a good time to grill the folk and expose my talents as well. I'll start with you, Shahrukh. Sure, why don't you?
I just want to say something. When Shahrukh was speaking, besides thanking Shahrukh for supporting this and being the flag bearer to make this event happen, there's something about Shahrukh's passion for India's Got Talent. I've seen it personally, and this is a small incident I must mention. I think you were doing your movie Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and you were one of the judges for our finals. And Bala Saheb Thackeray had passed away. As a mark of respect, we had to stop the shooting. And for the next few days, we couldn't have the show, and we had to postpone our finale. The movie was released. There was no need for Shahrukh to come back and continue with the show because the integration was not necessary 2 weeks later. But Shahrukh came back. He not only came back, he made sure the other co-stars also came for the finale, and that's how our finale happened. Not only that, I mean, the professionalism of this man is seen from the fact he asked for the tapes and he made sure that they were in the same clothes for continuity. That is Shahrukh Khan for you, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you, Shahrukh.
And the main reason is because मैं राज नायक को बोलता रहा यार कि मुझको कलर्स में काम दो एक एपिसोड से ज़्यादा, तो मुझे एक एपिसोड के लिए जैसे अभी बुलाया 6 दिसंबर को, तो अभी ऐसा बुलाया, तो उस वक्त मुझे चांस मिला कि दूसरे एपिसोड में आ जाऊँ, इसलिए आ गया था मैं, और कोई रीज़न नहीं. But thank you for having me on the show.
वैसे Shahrukh, what you don't know is that Mr. Naik here is a man of many talents himself, and I know he's going to kill me for this, but he's an awesome magician himself. So Mr. Oaks, your job's in trouble. Okay, I hope to see when we do an edition of CEO's Got Talent, perhaps we're going to see Raj back again doing his stuff. We're going to throw the. He's a magician. He does awesome magic tricks.
Oh,
like awesome,
okay,
and I don't
magician,
mean party tricks. I mean
okay.
serious tricks.
Oh, right.
Yeah. We'll see if the paycheck comes in.
एक मिनट देख लो मेरा wallet का.
Right. Shahrukh, before we please, gentlemen. No, you. I insist.
अजीब नहीं लगता ना लड़की खड़ी है हम खड़े
नहीं, I'm a pacey sort of person,
तो
so I'm going to pace around. Please.
Okay, thank you.
Please, बैठिए. Please. This is going to be a long evening. We've got a lot of wonderful members of the press here, and we're shortly going to keep, making them, keep the floor open to ask you questions. But before we carry on, Shahrukh, I'd like to ask you, India में 2 तरह के entertainment होते हैं. एक, obviously, Bollywood, the biggest, form of entertainment in our country, where everything is planned and it's Bollywood style and it's short and lots of money is being spent and everyone pays to go and watch it. And then there is shows like India's Got Talent, where somebody just comes up and 5 minutes shows what he's all about and entertains the audience. What do you think has the more wow factor? Like ज़्यादा गज़ब की बात किस में है? That you've created something which has been worked upon, or something that just comes up and entertains you out of the blue?
Meaning, I think the truth is कि जो जादू होता है, चाहे वो जैसे राज करते हैं या magicians करते हैं, जादू वो एक दो पलों में ही होता है, एक दो घड़ी में ही होता है, एक सेकंड में हो जाता है, मोमेंट में हो जाता है. जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी फिल्मों में, तो हमारे एक डायरेक्टर हैं केतन मेहता, तो जब मैं फिल्में नहीं करना चाहता था, मुझे समझ नहीं थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा बोला था कि यार तुम कभी पूरे सीरियल में फौजी या दिल दरिया में पूरे एपिसोड देखे, 1-2 बार तुम जादू कर लेते हो. तो हम जितने भी पैसे खर्च करें बॉलीवुड की फिल्म में, जो भी उसका एक मैग्नम ओपस स्टाइल है, whatever we do, whenever we sit down and think we're making a big entertainer, or we do a show like India's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent, and small other shows too, where we are showcasing people who don't get an opportunity. The magic of entertainment, the magic of smiles, the magic of the wow factor happens only in moments, whether it's a 2.5 hour, 200 crore rupee or a $2 billion film, or if it's a show, which of course these shows are also mounted beautifully and fantastically. They have a franchise which is really amazing. I've been on these shows, how they handle it is difficult, but I think magic of entertainment happens only in moments. How many hours, how much money you spend is not really important. So I think if you ask me, the magic of WOW, how long and how expensive it is, it's in a second or even less, and it's completely priceless. There is no price on it.
So well put. So well put. Awesome. Raj, we're going to, now unleash an event where Indian artists are going to be on the same platform as international artists. And we'll have a lot of global artists who will come down to India to perform. Do you really see Indian artists and Indian talent going global as well?